Greetings. I'm present at the University Hospital of the West Indies, ICU, where my pops has been fighting for his life, humbly, for the past 2 months. We've been asking family and friends to come and give blood if they can, but right now he's in dire need of blood. So if anybody can help out, I would greatly appreciate it. His name is Garth Enriquez, and he's in need of O negative blood. He's at the ICU A at the University Hospital of the West Indies. You can give blood from 9:30 in the morning till 3:30 in the evening here. You can give at any other blood bank, Chest Hospital or on Slipe Road. Again, appreciate love if you can do this. Thank you.